Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our current inventory. This is a 2011 XC60 T6. The T6 is a 300 horsepower inline six-cylinder. It's all-wheel drive. Color is ice white with light beige leather interior. That's the soft leather package. Body's in excellent condition. It's not dinged or scratched at all. Has very good all-season tires on it. New rear brakes, including the rotors and pads. The front brakes are very good. So you're all set with tires and brakes for quite a while. Has a keyless entry. You can lock it if you have the key in your pocket, and unlock it just by grabbing the handle. And you can start it without the key. Just push the button. It's got the optional display. It's a large screen display. Automatic climate control. Heated seats. This has a compass in the mirror, rain sensing wipers, power shade, closes all the way. So look at the leather seats. Has a 3-position memory on the driver's side. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Lots of room in the back. And naturally the seats will fold down flat. It has parking sensors in the front and the back. You can see it has dual exhaust. Power tailgate. And it has the partition, retractable partition. Just push the button to close it. Has the lane assist blind spot sensors. That was an option. And you have a power seat on this side as well. Very nicely designed interior and dashboard. Very comfortable. Well-maintained vehicle, runs and drives excellent, and it's fully detailed. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call, and we'd love to tell you more about this XC60.